Struggling to find the perfect highlighter for your face? A high-quality highlighter can elevate your makeup look by adding that radiant glow we all crave, but with so many options, it can be tough to choose the right one. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best highlighters that promise to give you that luminous, fresh-faced look. Whether you want a natural glow or an intense shimmer, we've got a product for every preference. Let's dive into the details. Kicking off our list at number 1, Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter is a cult favorite highlighter that has earned a place in the makeup routines of beauty enthusiasts worldwide. This stunning highlighter was created in collaboration with Instagram star Amrezy and promises an intense, golden glow that flatters a wide range of skin tones. Key features: this highlighter features a buttery smooth texture that applies easily with minimal effort. The Amrezy highlighter has a champagne gold shade that gives a warm, radiant glow without looking too sparkly. Its finely milled formula ensures that it doesn't emphasize texture or pores, making it perfect for those with a variety of skin types. Benefits and usage: the Amrezy highlighter is perfect for adding a natural yet radiant glow to the high points of your face like your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. The formula is versatile and can be layered for a more intense glow or applied lightly for a softer look. It blends beautifully and lasts for hours, making it perfect for both day and night. Usability: this highlighter is easy to apply with a brush, and because of its smooth formula, it blends effortlessly into the skin. Whether you prefer a subtle, natural glow or an intense, beaming highlight, the Amrezy highlighter works well with both application styles. Durability: the Amrezy highlighter is known for its lasting power. It doesn't fade or separate throughout the day, giving you that glow from morning to night. Whether you're going to a party or just running errands, it maintains its luminosity without the need for touch-ups. In the second spot, we have the Balm Manizer. The Balm Manizer is a multitasking highlighter that can be used not only as a face highlighter, but also as an eyeshadow and even a lightening powder for your brow bones. Known for its golden, champagne shimmer, it has a reputation for providing a soft, radiant glow that enhances any makeup look. Key features: the Manizer is a soft powder highlighter that features a fine shimmer and a warm, champagne hue. It's designed to be buildable, so you can control the intensity of the glow you're going for. The formula is finely milled, ensuring it applies smoothly without streaks or patches. Benefits and usage: this highlighter is great for a natural daytime glow or a more intense highlight for evening looks. It can be used on the face, but also on the eyes and as a brow bone highlight. Its versatility makes it a great option for anyone looking for a multi-purpose product in their makeup routine. Usability: the smooth, silky texture of the Manizer makes it easy to apply with a fan brush or any preferred highlighter tool. Whether you use it as a subtle highlight or as a more dramatic glow, it blends easily and leaves no harsh lines. Durability: the Manizer's longevity is impressive. It provides a lasting glow that doesn't fade or lose its shimmer throughout the day. It's perfect for occasions when you need your glow to last all day or night, making it a reliable choice for long-wear looks. Coming in at number 3 is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder is a unique, innovative product that combines highlighter and finishing powder. This powder is available in several shades, each designed to give your skin a radiant, lit from within glow, all while diffusing light to create a soft focus effect. Key features: the ambient lighting powder features light-reflecting particles that enhance your skin's natural luminosity. Unlike traditional highlighters, this powder has a subtle glow rather than an intense shimmer, making it ideal for those who prefer a more natural, refined glow. It's available in different shades, so you can select the one that best matches your skin tone. Benefits and usage: the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder is designed to create a soft focus effect that blurs imperfections while providing a subtle glow. You can use it on your cheekbones, along your nose, and down the center of your face for a luminous finish. It's perfect for anyone looking to achieve a more natural, sophisticated glow without over-the-top sparkle. Usability: this highlighter is easy to apply and layer, and its finely milled powder ensures an airbrushed finish. Whether you use it to set your makeup or highlight your face, it provides a smooth, even application without any patchiness. Durability: Hourglass is known for creating long-lasting products, and the ambient lighting powder is no exception. Its radiant finish stays intact throughout the day without fading, ensuring your glow is maintained without any need for touch-ups. Taking our fourth spot is Benefit What's Up. The Benefit What's Up highlighter is a cream-to-powder highlighter that delivers a soft, natural glow with a champagne pink hue. This highlighter is perfect for anyone who loves a dewy, glowing look without the glitter. It's housed in a convenient stick form for easy application on the go. Key features: this highlighter has a unique cream-to-powder texture that glides onto the skin effortlessly. It's designed to deliver a luminous glow with minimal effort, and the stick format makes it portable and travel-friendly. The champagne pink hue works well on a variety of skin tones, giving a universal glow that is subtle yet noticeable. Benefits and usage: Benefit What's Up is perfect for anyone who loves a more dewy, natural finish. It's great for adding a touch of light to the cheekbones, brow bones, and down the center of the nose. The stick application makes it easy to swipe directly onto the skin, and you can blend it out with your fingers or a brush. Usability: this highlighter is ideal for those who want a glowing finish without the hassle of powders or brushes. The smooth, creamy texture blends beautifully into the skin, leaving behind a soft, luminous glow that isn't too overpowering. Durability: despite its cream formula, Benefit What's Up has impressive staying power. It doesn't fade throughout the day and provides long-lasting glow. It's a great option for anyone who needs a highlight that stays in place without needing constant touch-ups. And finally, at number 5, we have MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. The MAC Mineralize Skinfinish is a versatile product that can be used as both a highlighter and a finishing powder. Known for its radiant, natural finish, this highlighter adds a soft glow without being too glittery. It's available in a variety of shades, allowing you to choose one that suits your skin tone perfectly. Key features: the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish is a baked formula that features a combination of light-reflecting minerals. It has a smooth texture that applies evenly, giving the skin a radiant finish without being too shimmery. The product is available in multiple shades to accommodate different skin tones. Benefits and usage: this highlighter can be used on the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow, to add a natural-looking glow. You can also use it as a finishing powder for a soft radiance all over the face. It's perfect for creating a refined, elegant glow that's not overly dramatic. Usability: the Mineralize Skinfinish blends beautifully into the skin, leaving behind a soft, healthy glow. It's easy to apply with a fan brush or makeup sponge, and its buildable formula lets you control the intensity of your highlight. Durability: the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish provides a long-lasting glow that stays fresh throughout the day. It doesn't fade or look patchy, making it a reliable option for both daily wear and special occasions. So, there you have it, our top 5 best highlighters for the face. Whether you prefer a natural glow, a blinding highlight, or something in between, these products deliver incredible results. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.